Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Open Control Center and long press the screen record icon to reveal options. Turn microphone on if you need live voice. Select the app audio source when available. Begin with a quick 5-10 second test clip so you can hear both system and mic timing immediately. This establishes a baseline for delay and confirms your levels. Once done, trim the test and proceed only after verifying sync. That saves time and avoids redoing long footage. Now handle the common causes of delay. Turn off Bluetooth to prevent audio routing through headphones or a speaker that causes lag. Close apps that play or process audio in the background, like music or chat apps, because they can steal audio focus and introduce latency. If network interference seems likely, switch to airplane mode and record locally. This keeps the recorder from waiting on streaming buffers. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on, so notifications don't inject audio or pause the capture mid-file. After recording, import the clip into an editor like iMovie or LumaFusion and inspect the audio waveform against visual cues. You'll see where sound leads or lags. If you notice delay, detach the audio track and nudge it by small increments, usually tens to hundreds of milliseconds, until voice matches action. Once aligned, export a short segment to verify the fix plays correctly on other devices. If problems remain, restart the phone and repeat the quick test to rule out a transient OS audio bug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.